In today's video, we're going to be doing this Valentine's Day tutorial using our brand new love kit. So if you'd like to see how to get this Valentine's Day makeup look, please keep watching. I currently have my base face already on, which is my foundation, concealer, whatever your base face is, start with that. Next, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette and applying the shade Feels in my outer corner, along my lash line, and into my crease. I'm also going to run that same shade underneath my lower lash line. Next, taking a smaller, more dense brush, I'm going to take the shade Bing, which is right here, and I'm going to apply that along my upper lash line and in the outer V, blending a little bit upwards into the crease. I'm using a patting motion to pack the powder on so it's as opaque as possible. Also going to take that same color and go underneath my lower lash line as well. Now going back in with the first brush that we used and blending all of that out. Now going back to that flatter brush, I'm going to take the shade Young Love and I'm going to pack that in my outer corner. Now taking a combination of Bang Bang and Turn On and taking a flatter, kind of pointier tapered brush, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner and on my lid. Now I'm going to take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that in the inner part of my crease just to add a little bit of glitter. Now of course we're going to apply our Moxie Lash Liquid Magnetic Liner. While my liner is drying, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. Now that my liner is dry, it is time to apply our lashes. So in the love kit, we have our baby lash, our wifey lash, and our sexy lash. For today's look, I've decided to go with our wifey lash. Last but not least, of course, we need a lip to go with the look. I'm going to be using the Lorac After Ego lipstick in the shade Daydreamer. That is it for this love kit makeup tutorial. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We also hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see you in our next one.